Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: a CUDA GPU, Python 3, 10, and sufficient disk space. Once verified, create a virtual environment and pip install the repo requirements. This prevents package conflicts. Then, clone the chosen text-to-image model repository and fetch the base model weights plus a tokenizer so you can run inference immediately. Make sure to keep a small validation set aside for quick checks. Finally, run a short smoke test on a sample, prompt to confirm the pipeline works end-to-end. You now focus on the complex middle: data and training. First, build a robust pipeline that pairs captions with images, resizes consistently, and applies controlled augmentations. This reduces overfitting. Then configure training hyperparameters, choose a base learning rate, batch size, gradient accumulation, and enable mixed precision to speed up training. Once training starts, monitor loss, clip alignment, and FID where possible, and save frequent checkpoints. If performance plateaus, adjust augmentation or lower the learning rate. You finish by exporting and deploying your model. Convert weights to an optimized format like ONCS or Torch script and apply quantization for inference speed. Once done, create a lightweight API endpoint, add caching and rate limits, and build a basic UI for prompts. Make sure to include safety filters and a moderation step. If you encounter crashes or degraded quality, a key troubleshooting tip is to roll back to a recent checkpoint, run inference on a known good sample, and compare outputs to isolate the regression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.